Hello, my name is Dave Peterson and welcome to TC Life Safety's Tech Tips. Today we're going to be talking about advancements in technology for testing fire alarm systems. Today the technology is just going rampant. It's hard to keep up. The data acquisition is quick and easy. The new analog addressable systems, we're able to go in and get sensitivity testing from. We don't even have to lift a finger at the field. All we do is push a button on the keyboard and we can get out a complete listing of all of the analog addressable smoke detectors and their current sensitivity. It's listed for the purpose and accepted by most authorities having jurisdiction. That's not to say that there isn't testing that needs to be done. Just because we're able to get sensitivity testing out of a control panel does not guarantee smoke entry into those smoke detectors. So we still have to go out into the field at some point and test every device. Like it says in NFPA 72, Chapter 14, every smoke detector must be tested at least once a year. You know, the technology has increased and grown. But engineers keep designing new and exciting products for us to go out there and test. For example, multi-criteria smoke detectors that need a smoke and a rise in temperature before they'll give you an alarm to minimize the chances of false alarms. These things with current technology can be painful and laborious to test. So with that, I'd like to introduce to you SDI's Testifire. Testifire is a multi-criteria test device. Now, rather than stand here and bore you with all the details, what I'd like to do is show you a quick video on how this product works. All right, welcome back. Pretty impressive stuff. And for short money, relatively speaking, your return on investment on this product is quick because you can go out and you can out-test anybody that's out there trying to do it with these kind of technologies. A can of spray gas for smokes, a can of gas for your COs, one at a time, swap it out, put the heat detector tester in. So some of the details that are not covered in the video that you watched, you saw the different cartridges, one for smoke and one for CO. Each one of those cartridges is capable of testing 600 devices. Since you really don't stand there and spray a whole bunch of test smoke in there, it's all controlled by the computer in the Testifire unit. You'll get 600 devices out of each one of those cartridges. You're also able to set up the criteria by which you can do your testing. For example, you can test single criteria, just a smoke detector, just a CO detector, just a heat detector. You can test multiple criteria, and you can do that simultaneously, so that if you have a multi-criteria smoke detector that needs to see smoke and heat before it activates, you can set up the smoke and heat portions of the Testifire to happen simultaneously and get a quick and thorough test. You can also do multiple criteria testing sequentially. So if you have a smoke and a CO combination device, you can pop it up for a smoke, pull it down, let it breathe, and pop it right back up there, and it'll automatically test the CO. And then finally, there's a clear command, which starts a little fan up and blows clean air up through the smoke detector so that your detector recovery is quicker. It's a great product. So you really need to get with the technology. STI's been in this business for 30 years. They've developed all kinds of test equipment. They develop it with their own experience as well as field input from around the globe. So don't be left holding an empty can of gas while your competition is on the superhighway to profit. Look into Testifire. Thank you, and have a life safety day.